make Amazon influencer review videos. If you're brand new to making videos at all, or maybe you're new to product review videos, I'm gonna share 5 must-have things you have to have in your video to give it the best shot at being successful. My name is Lauren. I've been an affiliate marketer for over 8 years now, and I've been using video with affiliate marketing for 7 years, and I've learned some things, so I'm here to share some tips and secrets that I've learned. These tips are gonna help you while you're inside the Amazon influencer program make the most of the videos that you're creating for your storefront. Before we start this video, I wanna point out 2 different resources I have for you. I have a free support group. I'll put the link below. There's thousands of influencers in there who are helpful, who share tips and tricks, and it is so amazing. I want you to join if you need help, or if you feel like you want a little bit more support, or if you just want some encouragement. Like-minded people, we're all over there having fun. So join the group. And then I also have a free success guide. I'll put the link below for that you can download. It's completely free, and it gives you all the steps that I took in order to get approved for the program and how I've been growing with the program so far. So now let's talk about the must-have things you need in your product review videos. I want to preface this by saying I am only talking about single product review videos. So we are making a video to post on your storefront that is reviewing a single product. And here are some things that I've learned. The first thing I want to mention is actually a don't do. So what I don't want you to do in the first 1, even 2 seconds of your video is have a pause. If you have any pause at all at the beginning of your video, it's likely that people are going to click off of it and not continue watching. So make sure at the very beginning of your video, it just starts right away. The second thing is kind of an obvious, but you want to make sure you're showing the product and you have the product in your hand. Bonus points if it's in your home, in an area where you use it. If it's a toaster, it's on your counter. If it's a planter pot for outside, it's outside on your porch. Wherever the product is in its like natural environment, if you want to say, use it there and show it there. Show that you actually have and use the products. Third thing you want to mention is the name brand and the name of the product. Make sure you specify if there's certain colors, what color you have, and if there's different sizes or variances. You make sure that whoever's watching your video knows exactly which one you have and which one you're showcasing in your video. The next thing that I want to mention that you should absolutely make sure you have in your video is a demonstration of the product. So what do I mean by this? I mean that you're actually showing yourself using the product and showing how to use the product. If you're just sitting and showing something just like this, and you're not showing, let's say it's headphones, you're not showing them on your head, what they look like, you're not showing how they expand or how they turn or what the buttons do, what are the different things that you can use on these headphones. I mean, if you're not showing and demonstrating every working part of a product, you're missing out on a lot of people who would probably purchase from your video if you showed all of those things. This is probably the #1 mistake I see people making on their videos, is not demonstrating the product enough. For an example, I saw a video once of a woman just sitting in a chair and showing off a vacuum, like literally just sitting next to the vacuum and talking about the vacuum. If I'm a consumer and I'm looking for a review of this vacuum that I potentially want to buy, I want to see someone using it. I want to see them using it in their home, seeing how it works, see them plugging it in and how long the cord is. All of these different things I want to see, not just hear someone talk about. So make sure you are demonstrating the products. And last but not least, make sure your videos are straight to the point. I'm not saying that you shouldn't include details about a product or give a little personality in your videos, because you absolutely should, but you want to make sure you're not dragging things on or you're not repeating yourself over and over and over again. I can't say how annoying that is, so make sure it's quick to the point. I would recommend having your videos at least 30 seconds long. You can have them shorter, but for me as a consumer, I like to see a video that's not super in-depth, but it gives me enough that I know I want to purchase a product. So there it is. Those are the things I feel like you need in a shoppable video in order to be successful. So as you're shooting your videos, try to include these things. It's not an all or nothing thing. So if you're still a beginner and you're still working on things, try incorporating one of these things at a time. And maybe over time, you'll be able to have all 5 of these things in every single one of your videos, and you'll be so much better off. But just know it is a little bit of a process. You have to get into your groove and figure out what works for you, how your personality comes off on on camera, or if it's just your voice you're using, how your voice comes off as well. But I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about creating shoppable videos for the Amazon Influencer Program, leave them below. I'd be happy to help. And also go ahead and download that guide because there's tons of help in there. I'll put the link below again for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more Amazon Influencer tips. I will see you in the next video.